Well, hey, folks. Well, it's day 3 here on a project with a Chevelle. And, man, that just don't seem like I'm making no progress. It don't seem. My hand out of the way. Did progress that wind down. You see it was truck back there. That's about it so far. I think I've counted. Let me get you in here close. All right. I guess the blue, the last blue that was sprayed on here. Then we got a tan, which is next. Now I don't see no primer between the last blue and the, well, hold on. There's the last blue, then there's a gray primer. Then there's the first blue, and then there's the cream color. Then there's I don't know if that's just brown rust showing through or was a brown primer, which is the original coat, and then finally metal. So I'm sanding with 80 grit. My third day of sanding, it just don't seem like I'm getting nowhere, but I know I am. So I'll get back to it. Appreciate you tuning in.